Not sure if your Ninja Woodfire is preheating right? Here's how to do it properly. Preheating on the Ninja Woodfire isn't just about warming up, it's key to even cooking and better smoke performance. Step 1. Select your cooking mode and temperature. Pick your function, like grill, roast, or air crisp. Then set the target temp. Smoke modes will activate the pellet system after preheat. Step 2. Press start and wait for the add food prompt. Preheating starts immediately, but don't add food yet. The display will clearly say add food when it's ready. Step 3. Wait for the prompt, not the timer. The countdown only begins after preheating finishes. Trust the display, not the clock. Step 4. Smoke will begin after the preheat phase. If you're using a smoke-enabled mode, the pellets won't burn until cooking begins. This is normal. Give it a moment after the prompt. Step 5. Keep the lid closed during preheat. Opening the lid slows heating and disrupts the sensor. Leave it shut until the unit tells you it's ready. Preheating properly helps your food cook evenly and prevents undercooked results. If this helped your grill heat like it should, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast, accurate appliance guides. And if you want to keep your pellets dry for better smoke and heat, we've linked a weather-sealed pellet container in the description. Thanks for watching, and grill smart.